it was solved. This medical mystery was solved. It was a huge, huge scientific breakthrough. It was not just in the scientific world. The New York Times ran a front page story, 2 columns above the fold. The Wall Street Journal ran a very large story saying, hey, there's this amazing medical breakthrough. Where for the first time we've identified a major gene with a mutation that causes cancer. And it turns out this gene is very important because it's a cancer suppressor gene. So we all have, our cells are constantly dividing. And most of the divisions, the mutations that we have when our cells are dividing are benign. Occasionally there's a mutation that could become malignant, that could be cancerous. But P53 is this amazing gene that over millennia has evolved into what is called a cancer suppressor gene. It's a seek and destroy gene. It finds potentially cancerous cells, identifies them, and either kills them or repairs them. I mean, how amazing is that? The problem, of course, if you're born with that gene in a mutated form, it doesn't do its job nearly as well. But this was a huge, huge breakthrough that kind of raised kind of a lot of excitement. But it also explained a lot, like, for example, my family, family A, why there were so many cancers. So it turns out, kind of, if you're born with this inherited mutation, the figures are staggering and, kind of heartbreaking. By age 40, if you have this inherited mutation, there's a 50% chance that you'll have had cancer, and often multiple cancers, often starting at early ages. It's versus a 5% chance in the overall population. And you can extrapolate that all the way out. That's how pernicious this particular mutation is.